In fourth lesson we have like topic list. So what are the general list, how we need to create the general list, this type of questions we have. So we need to complete the topic. So we need to create general list and everything. Even that is a very important topic for interview purpose as well. So what are the different types of general list we have, like we should go through that each and every type. So we have like five types of general list we have generally. Like we like flat list we have, composite list, and composite or hierarchical list, and we have like number list we have, list subset we have, and finally we have like pick list or drop down list. So these are the five lists we have in Anaplan. So we can see, go through each and every list, what is a flat list and what is a composite or hierarchical list. So each and every list we can go through it, and we should try to understand where we use which list and what is the purpose of using the list. So this is a basic thing, and we use each and every module this list. So that is the reason this is a very important topic. Every interview mostly they will ask regarding the general list, most of the interviews. So that is the purpose, we should be perfect about the general list. So we can, so basically like in flat list or in flat list. So what is flat list means, like it doesn't consist any parent and child relationship with any list.
Static.
Flat list nothing but it doesn't consist any parent and child relationship with any list. So that is known as a flat list. Flat nothing but. So second type of list we have composite list or hierarchical list. So nothing but which consists parent and child relationship in the general list, that is known as a so composite or hierarchical list. This is the second type of list. We can
Mohammed, you're sharing the screen?
No, I am not sharing screen. I will share my screen, just
explain.
theoretically explaining. So just now I am sharing now my screen. You can see here, these are the five types of list we have: flat list, composite list or hierarchical list, number list, and list subset or drop down list or pick list. So these are the like five types of list we have. So you can see, if I check this one, flat list. So a flat list contains a list item that are not members of hierarchy, no parent and child relationship with other list in the model. So we can see here, if I open any model, we can see easily which one is a flat list and which one is the composite or hierarchical list. We can understand easily. If I open example model, so in general list pane we can see, so this size list you can see here, it doesn't consist any parent and even it doesn't consist any child as well. Size list we didn't give anywhere as a parent as well. So this is known as a flat list. You can see here, region is consists the childs. Region we have given as a parent G1 for the G2 country, and G3 location is the child for the G2 country, and G2 country is the parent for the G3 location. So we have relationship between the G1, G2, G3. So these are the composite or hierarchical list. So it consists of child and parent relationship with each and every other list. You can see here product hierarchy, geo hierarchy. So P1 product family, P2 products as well, we have the same way. Employee hierarchy also, it consists of two levels, E1 departments and E2 employees list. So E1 department is the parent for the E2 employee list, and E2 employee is the child for the E1 department. But size list is doesn't consist any parent and any child here. So this is a flat list, and other than this one we have the like composite or hierarchical list. So it which consists of parent and child relationship. This is the second list. Size list and composite or hierarchical list we have seen. So you can see composite or hierarchical list are two or more lists that are organized in tree or parent and child relationship. So which consists the child and parent relationship. In financial model, the list are geo hierarchy, region, countries, location, and product hierarchy, product family, and products are the example for the composite or hierarchical list. So these two lists we have seen. And what is the number list? Third one. You can
Sorry to
see.
interrupt you, Asif. Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah. Can you please go to workspace, which you showed?
Yes.
The list. So each row represents one list, right?
Yes. This is each row is a one list.
Okay. Right. So how to give that parent and child relation? Is there any settings?
We should give like this. We should select and drop down and we should give
So we need
parent.
to give the list name, list name itself here in the parent.
Yes. Yes, we should give like this. We should click and drop down and we should select whatever the parent and child we should select here.
So all the names will be popped up in the drop down list box, right?
Yes.
Okay, please go. Thank you.
So we can see the third list is a number list. So number list nothing but you can see number list contain a system generated unique identifier for each list item. So number list where we use means generally wherever we get duplicate names like employees names we may get duplicate. So same name will be there for the two employees. So that is the reason for employee list we generally we use the number list. So number list is used, they may be duplicate list items such as two employees with the same name. The unique identifier would differentiate the data between the two items. So whenever the two employees will get have same name, so in that scenario, number list will create the one unique identifier code for each and every employee. On the base of that unique identifier code, Anaplan will differentiate the data between the two items. So generally we use the for employees we use the number list. So wherever you have number list, we provide as a as symbol to identify easily. So E2 employee list is the number list. You can see here this is the E2 employee list is the number list. You can see you have this all properties top level parent selective access. You can see here you have one more thing here. If I you can see here. So number list we have get selected here. So this is the number list. We can by watching this one we can understand this is a number list. And if you want open this list as well, you can see if I open any list here also I can see. So configure, you can see number list we have assigned here as well. You can see this true mark here as well in configure tab as well we can see. So both the ways you can understand this is a number list. And one major thing is for number list we provide the as symbol to identify easily. So this is a number list. So why we create number list means whenever if we get the duplicate names, so Anaplan what happens, it will create the one unique identifier code for the each and every employee. So by that unique identifier code, so we can differentiate the each and every employee data. So that is the advantage we have. So this is the number list. Third one is the number list. And fourth one, if you go, so list subset. So fourth one is a list subset. So what is mean by list subset means, so if you have 100 list items, I want to plan with the only 20 employees. Not I don't want to plan with the 100 employees. Why means in employee list we have the finance, HR, and sales and production. Every department employees are there. I want to provide sales commission to the only sales department employees. In that scenario, what I do? Only I will create one list subset and I will give as a true for the only sales employees, 20 employees. So what happened? I could take only that 20 employees wherever I want to plan with that 20 employees. So that what happened? I can avoid the 80 employees whenever I want only this 20 employees. Because of this one, we can reduce our model size. So that is the advantage we have. So we can see here in employee list we have um, created one list subset. Subset you can see, if you open any list, you can see this is a tree view, and this is a grid view. So you can see this is the properties, and you can see subset here. So employees active. So subset we have created one employees active. So generally in employee list we have so many employees, and in that employees, how many employees are active? For that one they have created one subset. If I create one employees active subset, how it looks like means, you can see employees active. You can see. So where, how many employees are active, we can understand here. So wherever employees are active, we have like, we'll get one Excel file. In that one, how many employees are active and how many employees are not active, that file will import into this subset. So what happened, we can easily, you can, wherever employees are not active, you can see that is unchecked. Whichever the employees are left, so there are unchecked, and whatever the employees are active, you can see true as a who are the employees are active here. So this is a major difference. So if you, even I can create further, you can see these are the production department. If I want to create the subset production here, example I want to create the sales employees, I want for to provide the sales percentage. And what I do simply, so I can see the sales tab here. So where are sales employees, I should select the that sales finance team. You can see you have HR finance. I think we don't have here sales. Yes, we have sales here. So for this sales, I will select all employees. So this I am checking here manually. But if you have more numbers in Excel file, we can import that Excel file into this list subset, so that only sales employee will get the checked here.
Asif,
Mohammed, I have one question.
hello.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, here we are speaking only about this. Here I see the top down, the tree view and grade and property, how that tab has been created.
Which one you want?
The top the tree view and grade and the properties, subsets and configure.
Nothing we need to create, just we are viewing the data in different views, that's it. Don't create anything. Whatever the view we are creating, that we can see the tree view, nothing but you can watch like same thing you can watch in tree view. Grid view, nothing but you can, in grid view you can see properties, nothing but the this is a list properties we will get later. So just we'll create some list properties wherever we want. So and we don't create this viewed separately. So we create some properties. If I want any list properties, I want to, for mapping purpose I will create, we will get this one later. Subset we are discussing about this one. Configure, nothing but we assign like whatever the whether list it consists parent or not, just we can go through it, we can understand what is the parent for it, whatever we select here. And even you can select parent here as well. You asked one question, this Balkrishna asked one question, how we can assign parent. Here also you can assign parent by configuring. So we don't generally we create list here, we can view in different view, that's it. We don't create all things different view. So we create only one view only, we create, we view, that's it, in different manner.
No, but when I see my workspace, here I can see only I can see what do you know, the open, insert, delete, and the user and the organization, but not the top line which you're showing, right? The grid view, properties, subset, and
You will get
configure.
it, you will get it. This is, I think this is first class, you will get, wait for this class and
Okay.
you will get it. Don't bother.
Okay,
So in
okay.
first class you don't
Okay,
get
there is a
anything.
practical, when we start doing a practical session, we can able
Yes,
to
you will get
understand,
it,
right?
you will get
Okay,
everything.
thank you. Yeah, yeah, thanks.
So you can see here in subset what happened. I have created one sales subset and I have selected this sales. So what happened, whenever if I want to create new module, so if I want to create one new module, so sales module if I am creating, So sales commission line item, if I am creating one line item here, so I can see here employees list subset sales. So if I plan with this one, what happened we can easily understand here. So if I take only sales subset, I can view only sales employees here. I could avoid yet that other production employees and every employees I could avoid here. You can see only 20-25 employees are there. In employee list generally how many members are there means like almost 100 or 110 members are there here. In sales, finance, every like each and every department they consist 20-25 employees. Whenever if I want only sales people, sales employees, for that one I will create the one subset and I will select only that employees. Whenever I create the module, I can take only the sales subset. Out of that 100 to 110 employees, I could take only 20 to 25 employees which are belongs to sales team. So in this way we can plan. So by doing this one, we can decrease our module size. So that is the advantage we have. So with the list subset. Is it clear what is list subset and how, what are the advantages we have?
Asif, I have a question.
Okay, tell me.
So we just created a sales subset, right? While creating itself, can't we give the checkbox check like one shot go? You gave it manually, right? Checkboxes, all the sales people.
After creating, whenever first we should create the list subset and then you should select that subset.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, while creating the subset itself, all the 20 employees, you gave the manually checkbox selecting
Yes.
in the view, right?
Yes.
So instead of that, while creating itself, those sales, is there any kind of configuration like checking
No,
them
after
in one shot, all the 20 employees
one shot means
of
I have
creating?
option of one shot like importing the Excel file. Okay.
So
While
we have to prepare the Excel file first, then import it.
yes, sales employees, how many members are there? For that one, we should create one Excel file that we can import into here in list. So we can make it but without manually. We can, if you have large number of employees, we can import into our general list. We'll do in this lesson. Fourth lesson we'll do that one as well. Don't bother. How we need to import Excel file in the general list, we can see here. Just I want to show what are the different types of list. Don't go very deep here. So what is list subset? Nothing but we are taking few employees, few list items out of total list items. So I want to explain this one. So is it clear what is list subset? Nothing but what we are trying to do in list subset. Yes, Manisha, what we are
Yes.
trying to do in list subset? What is list subset? Yes. What is mean by list subset? Are you able to listen my voice?
Yes.
Manisha, are you there?
Yes, Ashik.
So what is this list subset?
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you, Manisha.
Yes, list subset is something we have to. Actually, I'm not. I didn't get that, Ashik, because I was not completely into the class actually.
Okay. So what is list subset means? If I have 100 items in list, so I want to.
Subset, right? Like if products, if there is some product, for example, if it is baby care product, so the list subset means is it other? I mean subset products.
Inside that baby products, if you have other products, if you want to take like baby hair care, baby skin care products, if you have in baby care products, you have something like hair care, skin care, whatever it.
Yes,
So
yes. That is the subset, right?
so these are the different things, the different department like products. If you want to select any one kind of products, then what happened, so that is comes under the list subset. If you want out of all department, if you want take only one department, that comes under the list subset.
Okay.
Give me 1 minute. Yes, am I audible to you? Yes.
Yes, Baba.
Okay, fine. So we can see here like we have completed like list subset and number list, and we have other list. We can see what is the final list, like drop down or pick list. So drop down or pick list nothing but, so we use this any list, we use this drop down or pick list on UX pages to select any list item. If you have country list, if I want to select any country out of that 13 country list, so we'll create that country list formatted line item will create, and will keep on that UX page. End user can select whatever the country he wants. So like in UX pages, how I will show example here. In UX pages, what can we do? um, so I will create one module here. So here itself I will use I will create one country list here. If I create another line item, I will create here. So I create one line item, country line item here. So here I will create the list. Format is I will keep the list and country. List and country I will select here. So I have created one line item with the list formatted. So if I attach, you can see here, if I select this one drop down, I can select whatever the country I want. Same thing will attach to the dashboard or UX page. If I want to attach, you can see attach to the any dashboard, margin calculation dashboard, whatever the dashboard. If I attach simply, that will get attached to the margin calculation DB. This is a classic dashboard. So we can save and exit here. So you can see here country. So this is a country list where I have whatever I have selected there. You can, what on the base of requirement, we can select here. End user will select. This is a pick list or drop down list. We create one country list formatted line item, and that will attach to the UX page or dashboards. There end user can easily select. That is known as a pick list or drop down list. So this is the final fifth list. So these are the like 5 types of list we have. So on the base of requirement, we create different types of list. So may I know what are the different types of list we have? Surohini, can you explain what are the 5 types of list we have? I will share my screen, and just what you have understood, you can explain that one. What is flat list and what is a composite list? Yes. Yes, Sanjay, can you explain?
Yes, the flat list, it says that there will be no any members or hierarchy, no child, then there'll be no any relationship. It will be a flat. So that's called as a flat list.
Okay.
And hierarchy will be like two or more list or organized in the tree, like parents and the child relationship.
Okay. What is the number list then?
A number list will be a unique identifier, as you told that there will be a two or more with the similar name, where it will be very difficult to identify. They'll be giving a unique identification number like employee ID. The one employee ID will have the can't be given to another one. So in that manner, it's a number list.
Okay. And what is list subset?
List subset is oh, like we will have n number of active like we loaded, like you showed this check, right? If we have under 200 employees, so it will be like a dump. So the list subset says that whichever the active employees, only that will be it will be checked. So whatever the data required, it will go on the active employees.
Okay. And what is the drop down list? Quick list or drop down
Drop
list?
down list based on the country where we can choose whatever our sale or the list uh, we can select based on the drop down list.
Okay. Murli, can you explain what are the different types of list we have? And
Just now I've explained.
yes, acha, whatever just now you explained Murli itself. I am thinking this
Yes.
is Sanjay.
Sanjay
Sorry,
only, Sanjay.
sorry. Balakrishna, can you explain what are the different
Yeah,
types of
there
list
are
we
five
have?
types of lists.
Okay.
There are five types of lists. The first one is flat list, which has no parent and child relationship. Second one is composite or hierarchy list, which will contain the parent and child relationship where we can configure in our settings. And the third one is number list, which is kind of wherever there are duplicate records, we need to keep like unique identifier to identify it. We use a hash symbol to configure that number list. And the list subset is taking selective items or selected people from the large data or the whole data to create categorically, either can be a department based or any specific segmentation, so that we use for that subset, that we need to create a subset. Either we can create it and give it manually, or else we can download the Excel which we already prepared under that. So, and the final one is a drop down list, which is which will facilitate the user to select the given list items from the drop down list box.
So okay, fine. These are the different types of list we have. So how we'll create list we can see here in first activity we have here. So activities adding list to the model. So this is the first activity in general list we have. So if I open my model here, so if I click on general list pane, so this is already example model. So we have already everything here, but the thing is I should create ASIF level 1 model I have created yesterday. So just we have nothing, we have here, we have only empty model here. So we need to create each and everything. Just we have set our time here, and then we have set versions as well. Just we need to we have inserted here budget version and general list. Third activity, like we should do, like we need to create the general list in the general list pane. So what is our first activity? So we can see like we need to add general list here. So what are the different types of list we have? So in first activity you can see rename the organization list. So this is a, we can't delete this organization list, so we should rename it. So what is the, you can see user list cannot be deleted and renamed or edited. We can't do anything to the user list. You will learn more about the user list in the 15th lesson. So that is the about the user list. So other thing we have, the organization list cannot be deleted from the model, we can rename it, we have that option. So what name we should give means geo hierarchy we should give for the that one. You can see for organization list we should rename as a geo hierarchy. We can't delete this one. So if I try to delete this one, so you can see how it shows geo hierarchy. Whatever the default one we have in general list, we can't delete. The model organization hierarchy cannot be deleted. So that is the property of Anaplan. So we can't delete that one. So the thing is we should remove, they are giving instruction to remove this one, the top level column for the geo hierarchy list, delete, and the default data it should looks like this. So we should remove that one as well. Top level also we should click here, double click and backspace. So remove this one. So it's
Asif,
yes.
I have a question. As we understood that there are five lists, and it also used as per the requirement. But like I have like a very quick question based upon the experiences. So which list is the most often used in the like live projects? So
Composite
just I
or
have a random question.
yes, composite or hierarchical list we use generally.
Generally, that is the
Yes,
most often used list. Okay.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Thank you so
Yes.
much.
So we can see here. So we should compare our answer with the screenshot of learning center. Is it correct whatever we have done, or is there anything wrong here? We should compare our answer with the screenshot of learning center. Is it correct, or is there anything wrong here? Yes, everything is perfect. So whatever they are trying to do here, whatever they have given instruction, we completed the task. So we can go for the next activity. You can see, you can click here as well to go next activity. You can click here as well. So 4.5.2, here also you can see 4.5.2. So whatever you want to click, you can
Asif,
click.
sorry. Hello.
Yes,
Asif, sorry to interrupt you. Can you please go to the workspace? Uh-huh.
yes.
So by default, we have something. By default, whenever we are creating a general list, you will have two in the grid. We will have two line items. So we deleted the other one, right? Second one, other than users.
We renamed, we didn't delete anything here. We renamed this general list. This one we have removed this top level.
Okay, remove the top level. Okay.
Yes,
Renaming where right click rename. How it will
double
be?
click, just we can double click here. You can,
Okay.
you will
Okay.
get rename option.
Okay. And the removal of top level, just normally backspace. That's it.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine.
So please try to go through this whatever the lessons we have provided in the group. So before attending the class, that will be more helpful for you. So even you can, that is the reason whenever I explain this class, before that only I ask candidates to practice, complete all those activities, so that you can easily understand all these things. So tomorrow onwards, try to go through this whatever the recorded sessions we have, and by watching that without anyone's help, you can complete all activities as well. We have guided each and everything, whatever we are doing here, each and everything we have done in that recording sessions. So try to go through that videos and try to complete all those activities. We are teaching this fourth lesson, means we should complete fourth lesson activities, so that whenever we are explaining here, you will easily understand. So that is my opinion, my suggestion for everyone. So we can see here, um, add geographic list. So we need to add geographic list here. So add following names geographic list. You can see here we need to add this three list. So we should copy this one, and we should insert below the geo hierarchy. Simply open this, click on this workspace and click on insert tab, paste these three things. And before geo hierarchy do we need, or after geo hierarchy do we need? After geo hierarchy we need this three lists. So that is the reason I have pasted here under the geo hierarchy. So you can compare your answer with the screenshot of learning center. Is it correct whatever we have done here?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So everything is perfect. So we can go for the next activity. So after 4.5.2, so whatever you have, 4.5.3 you have, you can go to this activity. Same thing you have here. So product hierarchy you have. So add following names for the product hierarchy list. So you should copy this one. So you should paste below the G3 location. Click on insert, paste. You can see after G3 location I want. So after G3 location I should get product hierarchy, P1 product family, P2 products. So everything I got here. Then you can compare your answer with the screenshot of learning center. Is it perfect whatever we have
Asif,
done here?
yeah. Yeah, fine, fine. I have a question here. So we just did one thing like the sequence as per the instructions. Now we are going geo hierarchy and the other one. So suppose if we got an update from the client to move them up or down, like changing up and down from the existing
You have
sequence.
reorder
So
option here.
every,
Reorder option. So
okay,
if you want keep product hierarchy upside, you just simply you click here
okay,
and keep on top, and you can bring down these three things. So reorder option we
okay.
have here.
Select
Yes.
individually and like
Select
like
and
group also.
move upside and
Okay.
downside and apply here, so that it will get apply. If you need any reorder, if you need, you can do reorder option here we have here. So this is a reorder
Okay.
option.
Okay. Thank you.
So we have completed this one. So after completing this one, we need to add employee hierarchy here. So in the model you are building, select the generalist pane on the model setting bar. On the generalist screen, click insert, add following the employee hierarchy. You can see same thing. You will need to copy this generalist employee hierarchy details and insert under the if you have, if you want insert, you can insert in this way as well wherever you are there. So you can click directly end. Wherever you point out, you will get end means, you can see it will get end. So after P2 product you will get the employee hierarchy details if you click end means. So before after, if you have any confusion, wherever you are selecting, if you click on end, you will get that list on at the bottom. So this is the like a different employee list we have, employee hierarchy we have completed. You can compare your answer with the screenshot of learning center. So you can see here, we can compare your answer with the screenshot of like learning center. We should compare, is it correct whatever we have done? Is there anything wrong here? Yes.
It's fine. Yeah, it's fine.
So is everything is perfect, so we can go for the next activity. So add other list. So same thing we should, other list, under the other list you can see other list size. We should copy these things, this list, and wherever you are there, just click simply insert and click here bottom.
Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yes, something went wrong.
Yes, it is after 1 hour it is get like disconnect. We need to rejoin once again, so nothing will happen. So we can see here. Yes, we can see here. We should insert this other list items as well. Other list. So other list size and subset we have inserted this as well, and everything we have done perfect. So we can compare our answer with the screenshot of learning center after completing this one. So is it correct whatever we have done? Yes, you can check this one and you can check our answer. Is it perfect?
Yes.
Yes, so everything is perfect. So we can go ahead with like we need to assign the parents here. We need to assign here parents for each and every list. So assign parents to the general list. So we need to assign here. So for G1 region we don't assign any parent here. So we don't have whatever the top level list we have, G1, E1, P1, it doesn't consist any parent. So that is a top level list. So it consists only childs. So that is the reason G1 it doesn't consist any parent, P1 it doesn't consist any parent, and E1 it doesn't consist any parent. So for G2 country whatever the top we have, so that is the parent. G1 region is a parent, you can see. G3 location, above the G3 location we have G2 country. So G2 country is the parent for the G3 location. For P1 product family it doesn't consist any parent. So for P2 products we have top one P1 product family, this is the parent for the P2 products. Even department it doesn't consist any parent. For E2 employees we have the parent is the E1 department. So whatever the on top we have, that is the parent for the E2 employees. So we should assign the parents here. So do we have any parent for the G1 region? Yes. And
No.
G1 and
No.
G1 region top we don't have anything.
None.
So for G2 region what is the parent?
G1, G1.
G1 region. So simply we can drop down and we can select here. For G2 country, so what is the parent for the G2 country?
Again, G2.
G2 country. Simply.
G2.
For G3 location
This
we
for
have
G2,
parent
yeah.
this one. Do we have any parent for the P1 product family?
No, no.
We don't
No.
have any parent. For P2 products, what is the parent?
P1.
P1 product family,
P1.
that's it. So do we have any parent for the E1 departments?
No.
We don't have. So what is the parent for the E2 employees?
Even.
It will be E1.
E1 departments, that's it. So simply we have selected like each and every list we have selected assigned parents here, and then we have the next level is the top level we need to assign. So wherever we don't have parent here, so G1 we have the top level, we need to assign top level. For P1 we need to assign the top level. For E1 we need to assign the top level. Top level, if you assign the top level first, before top level we need to compare our answer. Is it correct whatever we have done? We should compare our answer with the
Yes.
screenshot of learning center. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, everything is perfect. So we can go ahead. We need to complete another activity. So that is known as a activity update employee list. So we need to update employee list here after completing this activity. So what we need to do means here, so E2 employee list will be the number list to accommodate the possibility of having two or more employees with the same name. By using number list, each list item will be assigned unique identifier. So to designate E2 employee list as a number list, select general list from the model setting bar. For E2 employee list, check the box in the numbered column. You can see what should we do. Just open this E2 employee list. So you can check here configure. You can assign here by checking here. So it becomes a number list. So we can see here instructions. So select the general list pane list from the model setting bar. Select E2 employee list and click open. Once list is open, select the properties tab. Click insert. In the insert into properties text box, type display name. So we need to even add this display name as well. So this display name we should add in the properties. In employee list, before assigning the number list, we need to even add one property as well. So here in property we need to insert here. So this is the display name. We need to add this display name here. So this is first step we need to do, and click OK. We have done. Set the display name format text. So you can see we need to keep the format of this display name should be text here. Display name format should be text. Yes, we have completed this one, and then next step is we should select the display name for the list. So you can see display name for the list, nothing but you should here we should go to here, go to general list, we should select here display name property. We have here display name, just now whatever we have created, you can see here we should select here. So this is the next step. We have selected the
Asif,
display.
where you are giving the hash symbol, since it is
Just
on number list,
whenever
right?
we created E2 employee list at the rate, at the time only we have copied this total name. There itself we have given as symbol E2 employee. For E2 employee list we have given, whenever I copied this E2 employee list only, I included this as well. You can see in general list we have already employees as symbol already we got here. I have copied there itself whenever I create the E2 employee list.
Okay.
So we can see what is the next step. Each and in activities we should follow each and every step. Select general list from the model setting bar. For E2 employee list, display name property column, use drop down list to select the display name. So everything I have completed here. So the thing is, I need to compare my answer with the screenshot of learning center. Display name we have given text, that is fine. In add display name property, add display name property also we have added here, and we have selected, we have given number list, we have checked this number as well. You can see your answer, you can see. So number we have checked, we have selected this display name, everything we have done according to their instructions, whatever they have given. So till this one we have completed, everything is perfect here. So we have completed this one. So is it correct, or is there anything wrong here? Yes.
Correct.
It's fine, yeah.
Yes. Till now whatever we have done, everything is fine. So we can go for the next activity, add top levels. What I told, wherever we don't have parent, G1, E1, G1, P1, E1, so all these things we should assign the top level, all regions, all products, all department. For size we should give all sizes. So these are the top levels we should assign for the parents. So you can see for G1 regions we should assign the top level. So by assigning the top level, what happened, we'll get the total summary. So we, location sales, you have 100 sales. So 100 locations sales, this location sales will rolls up into country level. Country details will rolls up into region level. So different regions. So each and every in for example, you can see in G1 region, all regions, we have 3 regions: America, Europe, Asia. So here each and every region it complete the 30 sales, 90 sales it happens. So you can see 3 region sales will rolls up into 90 if you assign top level here. If you don't assign top level, you can see America 30, Asia 30, Europe 30. You can see only different, you can see here only different list item you can see here. Individually you can see. If I don't assign the parent top level, So you can see here we didn't assign any America, Europe, we didn't add any list items. We'll add later. Just we have created general list here. So in if you go to our, I will show later that one. Just we didn't insert any list items into any list. We have created just a list. So anyway we'll get the summary. So whatever the company summary level you will get. So if you add all regions and all products, nothing but you will get the summary details. If you don't add, you will get the individual details. You will get different region sales. You will get here. If I add all product family, I will get the total product summaries. I will get. So these are the we have by doing this one we have completed. We have assigned this top level as well. So each and every list we have completed this top level as well. So from next activity onwards we go for the other things like after completing we should compare with screenshot of learning center. So is it correct whatever we have done so far? Yes.
Yes.
So everything is
Yes.
perfect. So we so far we can wrap up session here. So tomorrow onwards we have created just list here. So inside the list we need to insert the list items. These are the just list G1 region, G2 country. So we don't have any G1 items America, Asia, Europe. We tomorrow we insert all these things. So and country we have only G2 country. We don't have any countries items here. All countries detail we insert tomorrow. So like this we'll insert list items tomorrow. So we have other activities tomorrow, like tomorrow we'll continue this same topic. So till that time you can complete you can start this activities doing these activities by connecting with Alam. So or if you want to, if you are free by watching that videos as well, you can go through that videos and you can complete all the activities. So even each and everything we have explained here. So once call to Alam and try to connect with him now itself and complete all these activities as possible as try to complete this fourth lesson so that it will be easy for you. So whenever I am explaining you will get a clear idea. And if is not available then also you can complete. Already we have the recorded sessions. So by watching that one you can complete all the sessions, all the activities you can complete. And Irfan also is there, so he will also help you to practice all these things. So fourth lesson, did you start activities, Irfan?
Yeah, I have just logged in on this email and gone through this couple of starting messages, lessons. I just got to log in the workspace.
So okay, once you try to log in workspace and only this is a second activity. We have set time and versions and we are doing this activity. Nothing is